So today guys, I just want to share to you what I hold at Target and CVS. So for this vlog guys, I just want to share to you what I haul at Target and CVS. So for Target guys, they have these Dove deals and different kind of hair care. I think Tresemme and herbal essence are also included, and they're also having deals for the oral care and some laundry household. So I did the Dove deals. So this Dove is buy 4 and then you will get a $5 gift card. So it's 355 ml, $3.49 each. So total of 4 is $13.96. Then I have a $2 of 2 Dove printable coupons from Dove website. So I have 2, so it's 4. So I'll just pay $9.96 for 4, then I will earn $5. But I did all these items in one transaction. So, and then I also got this Colgate. So Colgate, they also have deals of buy 3, then you will earn a $5 gift card. So each Colgate has, I think, $2 offer. In Ibotta, yeah, limit of 3. And then I have 75-cent printable coupons from Colgate.com, and then you will earn $5 on those Colgate also. And then this skin balancing micellar cleansing cloth, they have $3 digital coupon from Target Silk Code, and this one is $6.29. So I only paid $3.29, and then submitted your my receipt to Ibotta. I will earn $2 cashback. So I'm working with my husband Ibotta account here. So I may not finish the offer because it's $10 for 36 offer. I think it's a bouquet bonus. So I still have a 9 offers to complete all the offers. So I think I just did 4 offers, so I still have 5 offers to get to complete the bouquet bonus. And then they also have $4 digital coupon at Target Circle app. This one is $7.99. So after the coupon, it only costs $3.99. Then submitted to Ibotta, and then I earned $3 cashback. So total 99 cents. Not bad. So then the dial, it's 12 bars. Target Silk Card, they have $1 off. So this one is on sale for $4.19. So after the coupons, I only paid $3.19. For the 10 items, guys, I paid $33.15. So as you can see here, Colgate is $4.99. So I used the 75 cents. 3 of those, each Colgate has 75 cents. As you can see there are 3. And then for the Neutrogena, this is the digital coupon from the Target app, Circle app. So it's $7.99. The Chic razor, so it has a $4. You can see digital. And then the Dove, so the Dove is $3.49. Then here's the paper coupon. I use printable coupons from Dove website. So it's $4 off because I used 2 printable coupons. Then 3 there. So the dials, see the a dollar here, dollar digital coupon. So it's $4.19. So I only paid $3.19 for the dial bar soup. So $33.15. So including the tax, it's $36.42. So I rolled $5 gift card from my last visit. So I paid, I think, $31.42. And then after I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, I earned $15. So $3 for the razor, $2 for the cleansing cloth, and $6 for this Colgate, and $2. It's all, my husband account only has 15-cent cashback, so it's low. my account has $1 cashback for that. Then I earned this gift card. I have $10 balance from purchasing the Dove and the Colgate. So all after the gift card and the Ibotta, it's only cost $8.15 or 81 cents for 10 items. So this one is different transaction. I need this one for my account, so I need to more offer to complete my bouquet bonus. So any item, and then so this included and one, so I only need 2. So I completed my bouquet bonus of $10, $6.29. Then I have printable coupons from coupon.com is $3. So I only paid $3.29. Then submitted to Ibotta, I earned $2 cashback for this one. So all it's $1.29 for this one. So let's move on to my CVS haul. So CVS, so on my account, I purchased this Eucerin, 2 Eucerin. So this one is $6.29, and this one is $13.79. So it's, I think it's $20.58 for both. And then I have $3.50 two of those $3.50 printable coupons from the Eucerin website. So this Eucerin, they have spend 20 and earn $10 extra bucks for those. So I will earn $10 for those. And then I have $3.50 off 15 lotions. And then for the CoverGirl, I have these $2 MFR, and then I have $5 of 10. As you can see, $5 of 10 CoverGirl, and the $3 off CoverGirl, it's an instant coupon. So as I told you guys, I don't have manufactured coupon or insert coupon. I'm just using my extra box and my digital coupon and some of my CRDs, because this is new account. So on my I already use this account. I just use it once. Yeah, once. That's why I have extra box here, $13 extra box. So then, so this is my subtotal, 0. After all these coupons and all the CRTs, I paid $13, and yeah, I paid $12.76. Then I earned, so I just paid total here. So I used my extra box from Beauty Box and from the Eucerin I bought before. So no subtotal, I only pay the tax. Then I earned $16. So this one is a money maker for me. A $3 money maker, $3 money maker. And then, so for my husband account, so for my first transaction, I did the herbal essence and the Pantene. There are spend 20, then you will get $5. So I got 2 herbal essence and 3. There are Pantene 3 for $12, and then the herbal essence also. This one is 2 for $12. Then I have $5 of 3, and then $4 of 2. Then I have $4 of 20 any hair care. So this one is first transaction. So I also got this CVS cleansing wipes. I think how much is this one? Yeah, $139. I thought I have the $2 off app only, but it didn't attach after I paid my bills. So this one is $3.49, $3.49 each. Buy 2, you will earn $5 extra bucks. And Maybelline, I don't have coupons. I have coupons for this 75 cents from the Colgate website. So for those, I only have digital coupons for the Pantene and the Herbal Essence. And this one is the digital, no, CRTs only. And then Maybelline, I only have $4 of 12 CRT, no coupons. So buy 2, you will earn $5 gift card, $5 extra bucks, sorry. So it's this one is totally $13 something for 3. So I earn $5. So, and then it also tracks on beauty, guys. And then the Revlon is limit of 6. So for the Revlon cosmetic, I have this $6 of 18 Revlon cosmetics. So I need to spend a worth of $36 on Revlon cosmetics, so I can use both of these CRTs to lower my out of pocket. 12 times 3 is 36, so I will earn $15. And then the good thing about this Revlon, you can you will scan your receipt and Ibotta, then you will earn, I think, $3 for the lip and $2 for the eye. So for the Revlon, it's on $36.45, I think, and then I have $6 off. So for this one, I paid, I think, $50 for all, because I use my extra bucks or here. So you can see there my Colgate, my Pantene, the Herbals, and the two $6 of 18. So the Maybelline and the $4 of 18 any hair care beauty. So these are my extra bucks from old visit. So this one 28 there, and so I paid 28 and used my $10 gift card from Fetch Reward. So I only paid $18 out of pocket. I submit my receipt to Ibotta. I earned $13 for purchasing Revlon eye and lips. So on this transaction, I earned $30. So $15 for the Revlon. $15 for the Revlon, $5 for the Maybelline, then $10 for the $5 for the Colgate and $5 for the their shampoo. So it's $30. So I paid $50 including my gift cards and my out of pocket. I earned $30 extra bucks and $13 cashback from Ibotta. So all is only total $7 for everything. So everything $7 for all these items. Then the Eucerin is another deal. So again, it's spend 20, then you will earn $10. So this is my receipt for the Eucerin. So it's $10.79 each. Then I use $3.50 printable coupons from Eucerin. I used 2, and then I have the $4 off there, 20 hand and lotion, and then I rolled $10 extra back that I earned from my first transaction. So I own my subtotal is 58 cents. Then I only pay $2.12 12 cent tax. Then I earned this $10. So this only cost me 58 cents. Then it will track on beauty also. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my videos and see you on my next vlog. Bye, guys. God bless you all.